In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort records by number in Google Sheets on desktop. This is a handy skill whether you're organizing data for a presentation, analyzing figures for a report, or simply trying to make sense of a large spreadsheet. So, let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, you'll want to open up your Google Sheet and zero in on the range of cells that contains the data you plan to sort. It's essential to ensure that you accurately select this range because the sorting will only be applied to the highlighted cells. Take a moment to do this carefully, especially if your spreadsheet is extensive or complex. A quick tip here is to click on the top left cell of your range, hold down the Shift key, and then click on the bottom right cell. This method makes selecting large areas quick and easy. Once you've selected your data range, direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll find the Data menu. This menu is a powerful tool in Google Sheets, offering a range of options to manipulate and handle your data precisely the way you need. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. Within this drop-down, look for the option labeled Sort Range. Clicking it will open a new set of options, providing you the ability to specify which column you want to sort by. When you sort data, it's crucial to ensure you've selected the column containing the numbers you're interested in. This ensures the program knows exactly which numbers you want to organize, especially if your spreadsheet includes multiple columns with different data types. Now, with your column selected, you'll be faced with a couple of sorting options. Choose Sort A to Z if you want to organize the numbers from the smallest to the largest. If your goal is to arrange them in descending order, select Sort Z to A instead, which will stack the numbers from the largest down to the smallest. After you've made your choice, click on Sort to apply the ordering to your selected range. Pay attention to see if the numbers are aligning just as you intended. Sorting can change the order of your data in an impactful way, so it's always good to double-check and ensure everything looks right. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully sorted records by number in Google Sheets on your desktop. With practice, this process will become second nature and significantly enhance your spreadsheet management skills. Thanks for watching, and now you have more control over data organization in your digital workspace.